There is this new app that I just got where you can become a node, a blockchain node, by just turning on your phone Bluetooth. Creating wallet. I'm creating wallet. I've created my wallet right now. So guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banky and this is Banky update. So in this video today, this is another mind breaking, that is mind blow uh platform which you can turn your phone to a node system. Your phone, you can now turn your phone to node system, and you will be making money through transaction. Your phone will become node. Your phone will become node. We are all node. Many of us did not know. We have we put, as in, we carry node all about. We carry node all about, but most of us did not know. So this platform name is called Nodle. It's called Nodle. So as I have registered right now, so this is how we are going to go about it. After you register, this is what you are going to go, how you are going to do it. So before I go further in this video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribing button so that anytime I drop another video, you'll be the first person to see the video notification on your phone screen. Click on the subscribing button and the bell behind it. So right now guys, this is how it works. So after you register, check the description of this video to see the registration link. So after you register, then you have to click on start node. Click on this start node here. Just click on it. So right now they will ask you allow location sharing and Bluetooth. The app is used to create the nodal network, detect Bluetooth devices around and send their location when the app is opened. And in the background, the location permission is needed to capture the location of the device and therefore calculate the network coverage and capture the location and nearby devices even when the app is not in use. The Bluetooth permission is used to detect Bluetooth low energy. So right now we are going to turn on our Bluetooth, and I think we also still going to turn on our location. So let's do it right now. Click on start. So right now you're asking me to turn on my location. I've done that right now. So I've turned on my location. Allow Node to find connect to and determine the relative position and nearby devices. So you just have to click on allow. So it will allow Node 1 to turn on Bluetooth. So now also click on allow. So turning on my Bluetooth is turned on right now. You are all set and ready to go. So right now, as you can see, it's up here. So right now what you are going to do next is to click on start any. So far your Bluetooth is turned on. You will be any on uh this app because you are now a node. You are now a node. You'll be earning from transaction. You'll be earning from blockchain transaction. So now click on start earning. Your reward are coming soon. So when you click here, it will show you your exact location where you are. It will show you the location there. I will not click on it because of some reasons. So right now this is where I am right now. So very soon when you also click here, it will show you that your earning will soon drop. Your earning will soon drop. So very soon it will soon drop. So you can also click on your wallet here to know how much you have earned. But I just open it right now. I don't think anything will be there. So as you can see, nothing is there yet, but it's running right now. The node is running right now. The node is running right now. So, and I'm going to earn whatever I'm going to earn very soon here. more about nodal token, you can click on it, more about nodal token, then you can read about them. You can read about the nodal token. Yeah, the market cap is already 32 million, while the nodal price is still 0.0009. So the maximum supply of it is 8 billion. So that is it. You can read more about it on, it's already on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Kraken Exchange, Bitmart, Gate.io, Huobi, Mess Global, MB, Ripple, etc. So that is it. There, that is it. So right now you can also increase your earning rate by this method. You can click here. Okay, click up here. Sorry, you have to click up here. So when you click up here, so on your app setting, okay, on you can yes, yeah, you can click on Outport. So if you have any other device, maybe your laptop, your phone, or other device you use to connect, you can connect with hotspot with, then you can click on you can click on next to scan the device, scan it and connect with it. So when you connect to the device, that means you will be earning from your two devices. That means you have connected two devices together to earn, to mine, to earn from this node. You will be from this what node does is that node validate transaction on the blockchain. Node validate transaction on the blockchain. So whenever there is transaction on a particular blockchain, on a particular crypto blockchain, the node there is the one validating the transaction. For example, on Bitcoin, running nodes on Bitcoin right now is not an easy something, not something anybody can just do, because to run that you need billions, millions in naira, in dollar also. So that is it on how to run node on Bitcoin due to the way they build the blockchain. So but for this one, you can run node on your phone by just turning on your Bluetooth, your phone Bluetooth, and do the connection, or by turning on your hotspot join also. So that is it. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, drop your comment on the comment section, and also don't forget to share this video to your loved ones and family everywhere, so that they can understand how this work. When you have your this thing here, you can also send it out or receive from people. You can also send it out. I will also make another video on how to sell your node token in case you don't know it. I will also make another video. So guys, thank you and goodbye for now.